Hi guys, so I've got a few things to unmould and I thought I'd just share them with you. So let's do this one here. This is done with resin and mica powders. Pretty cool bananas. This is a baby dragon, and I was supposed to unmould him when he was still a bit soft so I could stick both sides together, so I'm going to have to glue them together now. So this is just black resin and chameleon flakes. So I'll just have to try and glue that together somehow. Cool. Another Christmas bugle. Oh, bit of overspill on there. It's okay. Oh, yeah. Very nice. These are just little bears, leftover resin. Just make some little key rings with those, or bag charms for kids, school bags. Let's do this bird. Oh, dear me. So this is just leftover resin, and I put some chameleon flakes in the clear resin and in the blue, the light blue. It's different. Cool. Okay, last one, the frog. Oh no, there is another one after the frog. I've just seen it on the side there. Oh, this looks cool. It's stuck. There you go. Oh, wow, that's pretty cool. That's just some chameleon flakes. Wow, what do you think of that? Can you see them changing colours? That is pretty neat. Cool. Okay, and two little Christmas decorations. This leftover resin. It looks a bit like opal. And this was just black resin, and I just chucked some very fine glitter in there. Oh, so all the glitter sunk, but that's cool, still looks really nice. Wow, oh, it's bendy. Hopefully that'll harden up. That was done yesterday. That should be hard. I might have put too much black pigment paste in there. Interesting. Okay guys, that's it for the unmoulding. See you on the next one. Bye.